Unlocking English. Understanding, make a call. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a commonly used English phrase, make a call. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your fluency, understanding this phrase is key to sounding like a native speaker. Let's explore its meanings and uses together. When we say, make a call, we often refer to the literal action of using a phone to contact someone. It's a simple process. Pick up the phone, dial a number, and wait for the other person to answer. Example, I need to make a call to confirm our reservation. Interestingly, make a call can also have a figurative meaning. In this context, it means to make a decision or judgment. It's especially common in business and sports. Example, the manager has to make a call on the new marketing strategy. Sometimes, make a call is part of an idiomatic expression or phrasal verb. For instance, make a judgment call, or make a close call, can add a layer of nuance to the decision-making process. Example, with the weather changing, we had to make a judgment call to cancel the event. In different English-speaking cultures, make a call can have additional connotations. For example, in American English, it can imply the need for immediate action, while in British English, it might be used more casually. And there you have it. Make a call is a versatile phrase in the English language, useful in various situations. We hope this video has enriched your understanding and you feel more confident in using this phrase. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be making calls like a pro, both on the phone and in life's many decisions. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.